AI is taking over the world, and it's absolutely insane what you can do with it. From super creative AI videos to AI rap that sounds real, making a perfect clone of your voice, and even AI animations. So let me show you the top 10 most unbelievable AI tools that you can use right now. So, one of the first AI tools that you've got to try out is online, and you just gotta search for Lexica.art. Lexica is an AI art generator which can make pretty much anything you can think of, and is a lot like Midjourney or Stable Diffusion, but much easier to use. So all you have to do is tap on generate, then get started. So I wanted to see a tiny alligator swimming in a teacup. You can change the dimensions of your canvas, then click generate, and in just a few seconds, 3 completely original and never before seen art pieces get created from just your description. But another mind-blowing thing about Lexica is you can actually type in famous people, like Elon Musk playing basketball, and it does a really good job at getting the artwork to look just like them. But generally, all AI art models seem to have this issue. Because Lexica is online, you can also use it on your desktop. But another thing you can do is upload an image as a reference for the AI, and then generate an artwork similar to the reference image. And you can use this guidance scale to tell it how much influence you want from your description. Basically, you can see here, the higher the number, the more creative the AI will get, and follow your description. Also make sure to stick around because later on, I'll show you how to take this out and create an entire video. If you like the video up to this point, please like the video and subscribe to my channel, it means really a lot to me. Just wait till you hear what's next. So imagine you can take your voice and make an AI clone of it. And believe it or not, that was actually my clone's voice. Now this is so wild, and how you do this is on a website called Descript.com. All you do is scroll right to the bottom and then tap on this download link. It will start downloading the Descript application. And once you've got it open, tap on voices, then right over here create a new voice. Then what you have to do is record a 10-minute clip of nothing else but just your voice. And it's really important that you sound like yourself. So once you're done with your 10-minute voice clip, you're going to drag and drop it into the script. Then what it will do is transcribe the entire voice clip, which you can amend if you want, and finally submit the training data. And what I really like about this AI is that it specifically asks you if the voice you're cloning is yours. Then after 24 hours, when the AI is done cloning your voice, all you do now is write down anything you want in the text box. Wait for the script AI to turn that text into your voice. And I just can't believe how real this sounds. But as with everything, just be careful with this type of AI. But honestly, this can be used for so many other things. Now let me show you how to make AI music. Now the next AI tool is called Mubert.com. Here you can generate your own AI music track. And the first way to do that is by clicking on this little plus icon. And choosing from different genres or moods, you can mix them up and choose different ones to create your own track. But what's even cooler is you can actually enter a prompt instead. Like Drake rapping rap, hip-hop, R&B, all that jazz. And in a couple of seconds it will generate your own unique track that has never been heard. So wouldn't it be so cool if somehow AI could make rap vocals? Okay, so to create some AI rap, I found this crazy website called Uberduck.ai. All you do is tap on get started, then sign in using your Gmail account. And after that you can go to this section called text to speech. Then right over here is where you can type in your lyrics. For example, I asked ChatGPT to make some funny lyrics about Winnie the Pooh. Then in the drop down you can choose from a bunch of different voices. But believe it or not, you can choose from well-known rappers like Drake. But finally, once all that is done, hit synthesize and listen to this.
Oh, Winnie the Pooh, he's a fluffy old bear, walling around with his honey to spare. He's got a poppily and a little red shirt, but you know what, folks, he's no fashion expert.
I mean, with AI music, AI rap and AI vocals, if you wanted to, you could start an AI radio station. Insane! Now I've shown you how you can make AI arts from text. But it gets even crazier with this application called Nvidia Canvas, which you can search on Google and then just download from their website. So once you've installed it and opened up the program, you get this empty canvas on the left and this photo canvas on the right. But the magic really happens over here with these brushes, because each brush has a description, like Cloud Hill Mountain, and once you've picked the brush you can literally start painting a realistic photo. Or what you can do is paint directly on the realistic canvas and see your painting comes to life in real time. You can also adjust the brush sizes, and honestly I had so much fun. I mean, this look as tough it was drawn by a 2-year-old, but the AI takes this and turns it into something beautiful. Then once you're done painting and happy with your design, right over here you can actually change it to a completely different photo style, while keeping your main design, and some of them look even more amazing. Let's say you have an old photo, like this one, and you really want to restore it. Well, what you can do is head to this amazing website called replicate.com. If you scroll down and select image restoration, in here you get a bunch of different options to restore images. And for my testing, the first one over here does an incredible job at editing and restoring old pictures. All you do is simply upload the picture you want to restore. Then scroll down, click submit, and you're good to go. Then after a few seconds, the AI will take that photo, analyze it for any imperfections like faded areas or blemishes, and completely restore it. And honestly, this specific AI does such a good job. Wow! But there is another thing we can do to improve that photo even more, and that's using this color AI called Big Color. So again, all you gotta do is upload or drag and drop your image in. Make sure it's the restored image, of course. Then scroll down, click submit, and in a couple of seconds, this AI has scanned your image for the gray areas and objects and then added the correct colors. So by just following these steps and using AI, I managed to go from this original photo to this AI improved photo, and it is just mind-blowing. So by now maybe you think you've seen it all, but then comes this website Lumalabs.ai. So to get started with it, once again just log in using your Gmail account and then take a video recording of anything you'd like to turn into 3D. Make sure you go around your subject or objects a couple of times and in a couple of different directions. Basically what the AI is doing is it's taking the video you gave it and scanning it for a bunch of information like colors, objects and shapes, and then with that learned information it creates a 3D model from it. So after waiting a few minutes for the AI to do its thing, this is what you get: surprisingly accurate 3D model of what you just recorded using your phone. You do not need any LiDAR sensors for this, and you can move the model in any direction or even pinch to zoom. I mean, that is just mind-blowing, and as you can see, you can do this with almost anything. And again, remember, this was all done with just a video clip. Because this is an online application, you can even open your 3D objects on a computer. This is so wild, and it's kind of like collecting memories. By now we all know about ChatGPT, so I found two very useful plugins for ChatGPT, and the first one is called Summary with ChatGPT. This is a Chrome extension, which you can find on the Chrome Web Store. All you do is add it to your extensions, because then what happens is when you're watching a YouTube video, right over here on the top right hand side, if you click this icon, ChatGPT will instantly start summarizing the video you're watching. And I gotta say, it does a pretty good job. The next extension you've got to check out is AI PRM for ChatGPT. Again, once you've added the extension, what this does is within ChatGPT you'll see a whole bunch of different prompt templates that you can use to specifically make something. For example, create a human-like written article, then just type out what you need. Hit enter and ChatGPT will decide the prompts. And ChatGPT will detect the prompts and make a super sleek article. I mean, so far, these are some pretty serious AI tools. But now, let's have a bit more fun. Now if you go and search for this website, supermeme.ai, you found a pretty unusual AI that is specifically made to generate memes for you. All you do is type in a prompt, like, I don't know, when AI takes over your job. Hit the generate button and in a couple of seconds it spits out a bunch of different meme options, which you can just keep scrolling through. And I'm not gonna lie, some of them are actually hilarious. You can even edit the text on some of the memes, so whether you want to adjust the text size or even what the meme is saying, you can do that. Or you can toggle on the GIF meme generator and generate a bunch of funny GIFs, which are equally hilarious. And it's kind of crazy to think you can literally generate an infinity amount of memes that will keep you entertained forever. Not to show you guys how to turn your images into sleek AI videos using this website, Kaiber.ai. So once you're on the website, you can log in using your Google account, and then you can start creating. All you gotta do is begin with an image, and of course I'm going to start with my tiny alligator in a teacup. Then just click on continue to prompt. Here you're going to type out exactly what you'd like your video to be. Like an alligator turning into a robot. Then you can choose the style you'd like your animation to be. For example, I went with tech, futuristic and cyberpunk. Next, continue to settings, and over here you can decide what type of camera movements you'd like. Finally, click on generate, and after a few minutes you get this, the coolest animation video. But what you can also do is take a video of your own screenshots of the frame where you want it to turn into AI, then go back into Kaiber and basically run through the same settings. Also, if you want to see even more AI videos, then make sure you like and subscribe, because things are going to get nuts.